Welcome to the Faceless Content Classroom. My name's Eli. You know me from all the videos that I create online and the videos that I create in this community. But I wanted to take it a step further because the goal here is to have various avenues of revenue, right? So there's a lot of ways that you can set yourself up to have a faceless content channel that gives you a lot of potential for monetization. The first key thing that you want to do is to choose a profitable niche. I'll give you a resource of the most popular niches down below. You can also search, Google it, ChatGPT it. The most popular are personal finance, health and fitness, technology reviews, how-to tutorials, motivational/inspirational content, relax and sleep, which would be like ambient sounds, ASMR, and gaming, gameplay with commentary. So that gives you a lot of options. All you have to do is create high quality engaging content. And there's plenty of programs that allow you to make these visuals. You can use stock footage, animations, screen recordings, or slideshows to deliver your message. There's a lot of tools like Canva, CapCut maybe, it might be still in pause, DaVinci Resolve. All of these can help. Ensure clear voiceovers, or you can use AI generated voices if you prefer, not to record your own. And then script writing. Keep scripts concise, engaging, and informative so you can retain your viewers. Now, what makes this exciting, how you can diversify monetization methods. Relying on ad revenue alone isn't enough, so here we're going to talk about exploring multiple streams. So there's AdSense. That's when you enable ads on your channel once you hit the partner program eligibility, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate marketing, you can do this immediately. You can promote products or services relevant to your niche through affiliate links. One of the most popular is Amazon Associates, which I'm part of. You can do sponsorships where you collaborate with brands that align with your audience. Merchandising, you can sell branded merchandise if your niche supports it. Digital products, you can offer ebooks, templates, or courses relating to your niche. And then membership subscriptions. You can use platforms like Patreon, Skool, YouTube memberships, Ko-Fi for exclusive content. And then also you can repurpose content to sell stock footage, audio clips, or templates from your creation. So in this classroom, we're going to learn to optimize for growth. We're going to learn about SEO research keywords using tools like ChatGPT for it to find out what is trending on Google. We're going to use automated tools, AI tools, platforms like ChatGPT, Descript for editing or transcription, content planning, and scheduling, where you can automate your posting and scheduling using YouTube Studio, for example. And so we're going to learn how to leverage other social media platforms so you can repurpose your YouTube videos in short form content to direct people back to your YouTube videos. I'm super excited about this new opportunity. I know a lot of people don't always want to be in front of the camera, or you have everything set up and you just want an extra form of revenue, or you want to create a channel that focuses on a hobby that you're interested in that could also be set up to monetize. So here we go.